This video explains MES system integration. To integrate with a MES system, you must first configure the software. Open the system settings on the left. Select System Settings. Set the root directory of the template library. Select the folder where the inspection templates are stored. Click Save. Configure the data service. Enable the Web API service and check Auto Start. Click Save. Then restart the software. The screen shows the inspection template used for the MES integration demo. Open the print template. The QR code, code 128 barcode, and variable text in the print template are sourced from a database table. Check the data fields linked to each item. They are code 128, CUR code, and OCR1 respectively. Open the database table linked to this print template. Copy the field names from the first row of the table. Create a new text file and paste the field names into it. Remove extra spaces and separate the field names with commas. Click Save. Return to the inspection interface. MES integration requires a data source module. Click Configure in the data source module. Select File. Choose Text as the file type. Select the text file prepared earlier. Click Next. Click Next again. Review the imported field names. Open the gear of the data source module. Set the import method to auto. Add barcode modules and OCR modules, and select the corresponding inspection areas. Configure data check for each inspection module. Set the validation method to master data validation. Select the data source. Choose the corresponding data field. The configuration is now complete. The inspection template setup is finished. Now let's begin the demonstration. Close the inspection template in design mode. Switch to working mode. Start the Web API service. Begin to invoke the Web API. Step 1. User login. The login API endpoint is shown on the screen. 192.168.8.202 is the IP address of the current computer. Set the username and password in the request body. The password is stored in the inspection software system database file. The body content must be sent in SYN format. The account credentials are stored in the DB3 file located in the installation directory of the inspection software. As shown on the screen, check the password of the admin account. The password is encrypted and differs on each computer. Return to the API testing platform and trigger the login API. A token is returned. Copy the token. Step 2. Start the inspection template. In authorization, set the token and choose bearer token as the type. Control is the API endpoint used to control the inspection template. Parameters. VPF is the inspection template name, and ACT is set to start. Make sure the token is configured correctly. Check whether the template has started on the inspection platform. Trigger the template start API. The API call is completed. Check the inspection platform. The inspection template has started successfully. Step 3. Use the Control API to check whether the inspection template has fully started. Enter the token. Parameters. VPF is the inspection template name, and ACT is set to query. Check the API response. A status value of 1 indicates that the inspection template has started successfully. Now close the template manually and query again. A status value of 0 indicates that the template is not running. Step 4. Import data using the Import API. Set the token. Parameters. BAT is the batch number, ACT is import, VPF is the inspection template name, and ORD is left blank. Configure the body parameters. The fields array contains the field names. The data array contains the corresponding data values. The data array can contain data for multiple labels. Trigger the Data Import API. Data import completed. Step 5. Query the imported data. Enter the token. Parameters. VPF is the inspection template name, ACT is query, BAT is the batch number, and ORD is left blank. The fields and data in the body are empty arrays. The body content must be in JSON format. Trigger the Query API. The query is completed. The API response confirms that the data was imported successfully. Now check the inspection interface and start printing labels. Label printing is completed. A master data validation error is reported. This is because the imported data does not match the data on the physical label. Click Ignore. Check the inspection time. The time is April 9, 2026, 10 hours 11 minutes 28 seconds and 781 milliseconds. Return to the API testing platform. Step 6. Retrieve inspection results. Parameters. BAT is the batch number, VPF is the inspection template name, and time is the query timestamp. The time parameter must be earlier than the label inspection time. Parameters. Skip is the number of records to skip, take is the number of records to retrieve, and FEMT is left blank. Set the token. Set the body to none. Trigger the API. Check the API response. Total indicates the total number of records. Skip indicates the number of skipped records. Take indicates the number of retrieved records. A check states value equals 2 indicates that the inspection result of the label is NG. Details contains the inspection results of each module in the template. Work is the module name. Status is the inspection result of the module. Return to the inspection interface. This is the MES system integration by using the Web API.